name a fruit a teenager might practice all the kissing on.
Forgive me.
No, go ahead.
I'm gonna say banana.
Come on! It had to be said. All right.
If you're good at reading body language, what part of a woman speaks the loudest?
Her glutes.
Obviously, the commissioner has spoken to these fellas before the game. Don't say anything risque. We're now using medical terms. Fill in the blank. Pie in the what?
Horse.
Pie in the what the hell did you say? Snoop just said pie in the horse. Name something a wife might do to her bald husband's head in the bedroom.
Push it down. Yes!
Name a way a woman can flirt with a man without...
Oh, I did it so fast, didn't I? Name a way a woman can flirt with a man without him thinking that she's a whore. My answer is, by batting her eyelashes.
This is not how you play the game.